Hi, I'm Leo from SourcingYuan. Today we will make an inspection for the iPad report. This is the packaging. You can see this is the packaging. Now let us open it. You can see the iPad. See the iPad. Then let us turn on it. Okay. This is the charger and this is the lamp. This is the USB and this is the Type-C and with 6 watt. Yes, you can see 6 watt. And this is the charger. You can see the standard. The standard is European. Okay, you can see it. The standard is European. This is the user manual. You can see it. The language is English. Of course, if you want the other language user manual, you can tell me, and we will customize it for you. Now let us check the iPad. Okay, this is the iPad. We have already turned on it. Okay. Now let us check the iPad. We have just turned on it. Okay, let us check the settings. And we will check the system. You can see the system. The storage. You can see the storage. The storage is 256. 256. This is the storage. And other RAM. Let us check the RAM. And this is the RAM. It's 16. You can see the RAM is 16. And let us check the system. The Android version is Android 13. Android 13, and the size is 11 inch.
Okay.
If you want to buy iPad, we will have you purchase, shipping, and inspection. Meantime, we will provide you a wholesale price. Don't hesitate, contact me.